welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Cowart's Journey, and today you're watching a video on me using the Split Ender Pro 2. I have not seen many videos on this for African American women, so I decided why not. Let me be one of the few that is going to try it, review it, and give you all my honest opinion on it working on my hair, hopefully. My hair is relaxed, so it is straight, and therefore I shouldn't have a problem because most of the people who use it have straight hair. So it should work, okay? Now, I bought this off of Amazon. I'm gonna put all the specs about this as well as the link directly so you can go directly there to see for yourself on whether or not you want to purchase it. I love the fact that it came in this box. It was easy to open, so you just flip it open such as this. It comes with the actual casing, so this is great if you're one that likes to store your hair tools, because I am that girl, honey. I am her. Now, it also comes with manuals, 3 manuals in different languages. It comes with instructions on how to safely use the tool, and then it also comes with a registration warranty. Now, I already did this section here because I just wanted to see if it will work. I wasn't sure if I wanted to record it, and I said, girl, this thing, I gotta show my people. I gotta show my people. It comes with a charger. It was charging, so it's charging right now. However, I got y'all. You can use it free-handedly. You do not have to have it charged. So let's just say you want to charge it overnight. The next day, go ahead and you can use it without having to actually have it plugged up. A lot of tools, I hate the fact that it has to be obviously plugged up. Flat irons, blow dryers, they usually have to be plugged up, and you're getting tangled and trying to pull and get to one section. It's just too much. Girl, you don't have no worries. Now, it's easy peasy to use. I'm going to show you all from step 1 to I think like step 6 on all the different things that you're supposed to do, so no worries. I'm just gonna go ahead and explain it to you, but then we're going to show you as well. So it does come with the little combs that are automatically, when you get it, it's automatically just like this. So what you would do is get a small section of your hair, place it into the chamber. You would close it because this lock. I would go click this button here, and then slowly go down in a small section 3 times. I will be definitely doing my own at-home trim. Girl, I got to. Like, I don't have to worry about too much of my hair being cut off, and it's cutting off just the split ends. That's one thing you don't have to worry about. A lot of times you'll go to places, salons and whatnot, and look, I'm never discrediting all the cosmetologists, but I will say that this just cuts the split ends in 1/4. So you're going through it 3 times, girl, it got you. So without further ado, I'm done talking. Let's get into this video. But before we do, honey, y'all know what to do. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, turn on your notifications, and if you have any comments, y'all know, list them down below. Let's go.
Before using the Split Ender Pro 2, you want to make sure that the hair is completely washed. That means it has to be free from natural oils and product solution. Completely blow dry the hair thoroughly before using the Split Ender Pro. The Split Ender Pro will only work on clean and fully dry hair. So a little bit about the Split Ender Pro. It is specially designed to only trim the very ends of the hair strand. According to the directions, you want to divide the hair in the middle in 2 half sections. Select the arrow pointing to the floor and press the button. A green light will turn on, letting you know that the unit is activated and ready to go. Open the hair plate by sliding the lock on to the lock off position located underneath the unit. You want to select small, thin sections of the hair. Spread it to a thin layer before placing it on top of the hair plate guides and comb it from free of tangles. This will allow the hairs to freely run through the hair plate and avoid getting pulled. Gently squeeze the hair plate, pressing hair until it activates. Use a slow motion, even motion, just like you would use with a flat iron or a hairbrush. Repeat 3 times per section. After you are finished, every section of your hair, clip it to the side, separating it from the untreated hair. From time to time, while you are treating the hair, you will see the hair chamber housing getting full of little bits of hair. Stop for a minute and empty the hair chamber, pouring it over a sheet of paper or a countertop as you go. This ensures that the blade's housing is clean during treatment as you go for a better split ender pro performance. The benefits of the Plait Ender Pro 2 is endless. It snips the ends, not the length. It's easier, faster, and safer than scissors. Safely trims damaged hair ends and split ends in minutes. Promotes a healthy looking sheen and silky head of hair. Okay ladies, so important notes and disclaimer. So according to the instructions, you do not use the Split Ender Pro in a specific section more than once. You do not use the Split Ender Pro without trim setting. It is also recommended that hair maintenance treatment every 4 to 6 weeks, and it works best on straight or wavy hair.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the better below. You said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Oh, now I'm on the ground. I know the truth.
Oh, no. Okay, so I don't know if y'all saw that, but I broke it. I literally dropped this freaking split ender and this little, let me show you. This little, oh Lord, wherever it is, y'all, let me see. I want to show y'all how important it is. This little piece I dropped, or it broke off. So I'm literally having to close the chamber with my hand as I go down. Instead of holding my hair like I'm supposed to do, I'm having to close the chamber. And when I do like try to close it on its own, you hear it, but it won't close completely. So, girl. But I do want to say, or show y'all actually, like my hair feels so soft. I did not know that if I cannot comb through my hair, that means without kinks, that means that I have several split ends. That comes with not getting trims, styles, detangling, in which I'm very good at, you know, trying to make sure I'm detangling my hair properly. But, you know, again, over time, the hair just needs to be trimmed. And I'm not good at that. So this at-home thing is bomb. The only thing that I would say, just because I just experienced it, is it is time-consuming. But I like it because I'm able to see the difference right away. I'm only cutting a certain amount of hair. And I'm doing it, you know, I'm the one that's doing it. So I'm very in tune with my hair. You immediately see the difference in your ends. Like I was not able to do this. You all saw, you know, when I went through to even detangle, even going through with the split ender itself, I was having trouble even after detangling. So I was not able to do this at all. Y'all, honey, I thought I was gonna have to cut my hair, like start over, go to a salon and get them just to fix it. So I am so relieved. Look at my ends. Look at them things, honey. Let's turn to the other side. And I still have my length. It's just cut off my split ends. My hair feels so soft. So soft. Like, I am sold. I am sold. Like, I know I broke it. It's my fault. I will buy another one. And it's not cheap. But just because I'm able to see the difference. Now, I would recommend doing this every other month or every 3 months. Like, I'm really, because it's only cutting off what needs to be cut off. It's not cutting off your length. So, and I think that's the problem that most people have, is that you do all this, you know, protective styling and, you know, trying to take care of your hair, and then you go to a salon and they're having to cut off 2 inches when not everything needs to be cut off. There may just be some split ends in between, but baby girl, y'all see that? Look at the difference. Look how smooth my hair looks. Let me show you up close. Look how smooth my hair looks. I can go through my hair. Now, look how, like, I just flat ironed my hair like 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Look at this section of my hair. Okay, you see that now. I don't even know if I should even go with the comb. I can just use my fingers. Stuck like Chuck. I can go anywhere on this section of my hair. And look at it, just slides like butter. Butter, girl. And like, I am going in. I'm looking for anything. It says to go through 3 times, but I went as needed. I'm just gonna say that because when I went through, like, maybe let's say that I went and I combed my hair through and it didn't go through all the way, I'm going in again. Like, then I feel my ends, or I feel my hair, just to see if there's any parts that are needing to be trimmed. This is all that it cut off. Like, there's more obviously on the floor, but look how small. Let it focus, see? Can y'all see that? I hope y'all can see just how small the hair is. And then it comes with a little brush. I don't know where I put the brush at. I'm losing like everything right now. But it comes with a brush that you can go pop this open and just sweep it out and then go about your business and store it away. I would definitely give this thing a 10. A 10 out of 10. Like, it's bomb. I see immediate results. I still am able to obtain my length. My hair feels smooth, silky. It feels soft. My hair even looks better compared to this side. Look at this side and then look at this side. I really hope the camera is doing it justice, because I don't want, look at that, nice and shiny, and then you have this side nice and tangled. You can see the tangles when I just do like this. You can see it? Child, boo. There, like I said, are not many reviews on it, so therefore, because there was not many reviews, I definitely want to try something before going to a salon. Let me know if you all have tried the Split Ender Pro 2. Let me know if your pros and cons. I'm all for it. I want to hear it. If you don't have the time to do anything when it's related to your hair, do not do it. Your hair takes time. Give your hair the time that it needs, or you're going to experience more breaking. I told you all, I showed you all, and we're done. So make sure you all subscribe, like the video, turn on your notifications, and comment down below any comments that you may have. If you have the Split Ender, if you don't like it, if you like it, let's talk, boo-boo.